Utilizing AI to generate online revenue shouldn't require complex prompt engineering or thousands of dollars in initial software investments.
Hello, everyone. Today, I am breaking down the precise framework of how Sellvia integrates product creation and automation into a single high-performing online storefront.
When you venture into online sales, building your framework on an accredited ecosystem is vital to mitigate systemic risk. Sellvia is a premier online business platform that has already powered over 1.5 million stores globally. As an official member of the Forbes Communications Council and listed among America's fastest-growing private firms by Inc. 5000, Sellvia provides a verified infrastructure designed to remove all technical complexity. The most efficient asset class to scale without logistics friction is digital products. If you navigate to the online tools section of sellviacatalog.com, you get access to turnkey digital content developed directly by Sellvia. Because these products are non-physical, you experience zero overhead, no warehouse storage requirements, and no shipping delays. Every single asset is preloaded with an optimized 50% to 70% markup, and you retain 100% of that markup as your net business profit. To generate automated sales, you do not need to spend months manual testing marketing materials. Inside your desktop dashboard, you simply leverage the integrated Sellvia Ads ecosystem. This architecture automatically structures ad creatives and manages targeting optimization across Google and Facebook networks. You establish a daily micro budget starting at just $10 to $15, and the platform distributes highly targeted buyers directly to your digital assets. For compounding business growth, you can diversify your traffic beyond paid marketing campaigns. By deploying the professional SEO package from your store catalog upgrades, Sellvia's internal team optimizes your indexing parameters. This drives sustainable organic search engine traffic directly to your store, permanently increasing your operational margins and the eventual asset value of your business. Operating this entirely automated infrastructure demands only $39 a month, which evaluates to a minimal expense of just about $1.30 per day. Currently, you can secure a 14-day free trial and a complimentary $40 advertising coupon to test the traffic delivery algorithms risk-free. Click the verified link in the description below to initialize your digital storefront tonight. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next analytical breakdown.